Good morning, dear students. In last class, we have seen some physical quantities which is related to motion, distance, displacement, speed, velocity, and acceleration. I have told you their SI units and equations. Once we will revise the equations. Speed equation is distance divided by time. Velocity, displacement divided by time. Acceleration is change in velocity divided by time. Change in velocity is final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. Acceleration is denoted by the letter small letter a, and the final velocity is denoted by the letter small letter v, and the initial velocity u, time t. So the equation becomes a equal to v minus u divided by t. Now all these five physical quantities combinedly we are going to frame some new equations which is known as equations of motion. There are three equations. Today we are going to see what are the equations and how to derive the three equations. Okay. Now we are going to derive the first equation of motion which is known as velocity time equation. We are going to derive it from our acceleration equation. What is acceleration equation? A equal to v minus u divided by t. Okay. Now velocity time equation in terms of final velocity we are going to derive it. Okay. Bring the t to this side. Here it is division, and it comes here. It is multiplication. At equal to v minus u. Bring u also this side. Here it is minus. When it comes this side, it will become plus. U plus At equal to v. So this is our first equation of motion. V equal to u plus At. Okay. Equation name is velocity time equation. First word velocity, last word time. So the equation becomes velocity time equation. Before going to the derivation of second equation, we need to see two more equations. When we are speaking about multiple speed, when we are speaking about multiple velocity, we need to find an average speed and an average velocity. That has an equation. Average speed equation is total distance divided by total distance divided by total time. Distance can be denoted by the letter S. So different distance is there, so we can write S1 plus S2 plus etc. divided by time denoted by the letter T. So T1 plus T2 plus etc. This is the equation for average speed. Now we will see what is the equation for average velocity. Average velocity equal to total displacement divided by total time taken. Total displacement means final velocity plus initial velocity. Average we are finding, so divided by 2. Okay, so average velocity equation is v plus u divided by 2. Distance equation we can derive from average velocity, that is distance equal to average velocity into time. Okay. Now we are going to derive the second equation. Okay. Distance can be denoted by the letter S. So S equal to average velocity equation now is seen v plus u divided by 2 divided into time. Time denoted by letter t. Now from the first equation, v equal to u plus at, right? Then t equal to, how can we write? V minus u divided by a. Okay? From first equation, we are deriving the value for t. We can substitute this value over here. It will become v plus u divided by 2. T value is v minus u divided by a. Now, v plus u into v minus u. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula for a plus b into a minus b? That is a square minus b square. So we can write v square minus u square. So the equation will become s equal to v square minus u square divided by 2a. So bring 2a this side. It will become 2a is equal to v square minus u square. V square equal to, then how can we write? U square plus 2as. Okay. This is the third equation of motion. Okay. So first letter is v, last letter is s. So this equation is known as velocity displacement equation. Okay. Now, second equation also, same way only we are going to solve it. Equation is, what is the distance equation? Distance equal to average velocity divided by average velocity into time. That is s equal to v plus u divided by 2 into t. Now we are going to substitute v value over here. First equation, v value what it was? V equal to u plus at. Now v value substitute here. S equal to u plus at plus u divided by 2 into t. Right? U plus u, what it will become? It will become 2u. 2u. T multiply inside, it will become 2ut plus at square divided by 2. First we are adding the two terms. S equal to u plus u, that is 2u. Okay. T multiplying inside, it will become 2ut plus at is there. T multiplying inside, it will become at square divided by 2. Now, here 2 can get cancelled. We can write ut plus, here for this term for u, 2 is remaining. So we can write half at square. So equation became s equal to ut plus half at square. This is your second equation of motion. So first letter what it is? Yes, displacement. T, time. So second equation is known as displacement time equation. Now we have seen the derivation of three equations. First one, v equal to u plus at. Second one, s equal to ut plus half at square. And the third one, v square equal to u square plus 2as. I will send you the notes of the derivation. You can check in your WhatsApp. Okay. If you have any doubts in any of the steps, please message me. I will clarify that. Thank you.